a decline that has brought the cryptocurrency exchange's stock price to its lowest position since its market debut in April 2021 continued Monday as Coinbase shares closed more than 8% lower. The decline occurs as investors worry about a spillover from FTX's stunning collapse earlier this month and the downturn. Today's video is about investors fear a spillover from the FTX crash as Coinbase shares decline as the Bitcoin slump continues. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. Coinbase has slipped below the $10 billion level and lost more than a quarter of its worth in the last 4 trading sessions, 19 months after going public with a market cap of over $85 billion. As concerns about the stability of FTX's competing exchanges have grown, there have been widespread sell-offs that have led to some businesses temporarily suspending trade and others preparing for possible bankruptcy filings. In a report published on Friday, Mizuho analysts said that daily volumes in the sector are currently running 30% to 40% below their yearly average. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, wrote an opinion piece for CNBC on November 11th and stated that while his company has no substantial exposure to FTX, he has sympathy for everyone involved. To date, shares of Coinbase have decreased by more than 83%. In our profession, it's worrisome each time a customer could leave, and FTX's problems are costing a lot of people a lot of money, according to Armstrong. Even if Coinbase is not another FTX, Bank of America downgraded the Bitcoin exchange platform on Friday, citing contagion risk. According to Jason Kupferberg of Bank of America, it does not make them immune from the wider ramifications inside the crypto ecosystem. If you are still watching this video, don't forget to click on the like button and comment how you feel about it. Before FTX's collapse, the market was experiencing a crypto winter that had driven down the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and driven a number of businesses into insolvency. Earlier this month, Coinbase announced a loss of $545 million and a third-quarter revenue decline of more than 50% from the prior year. The cryptocurrency exchange reduced 18% of its personnel in June. The subsequent sell-off has been even more severe, with Ethereum losing almost 6% and Bitcoin plummeting more than 3% on Monday, to its lowest level in more than 2 years. Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX, promoted and supported the cryptocurrency Solana, but it has lost more than 2/3 of its value in just 2 weeks. As liquidity dried up, users requested withdrawals, and rival exchange Binance pulled up its non-binding agreement to buy the company. FTX plummeted from a $32 billion valuation to insolvency in a matter of days. On November 11th, FTX submitted a Chapter 11 bankruptcy petition. The company's assets were a fine, according to Bankman-Fried, 2 days before he became frantic for help. Since then, he has stated in tweets that he is working to collect deposits. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.